So I just came back from a Sirius XM Next Waves show. I got to see AZ Chike, Jadon, and Nani Goins, I think is her last name. And man, it was dope. I couldn't really record that much because it was being streamed, so they didn't really want people to have their phones out recording, but I did get a couple short videos. Check out my Instagram, they were on my story. But it was a dope show, and I got home to a package delivered. So I figured I would unbox it for you guys. I bought a pair of loafers, and I actually am gonna do a whole like capsule wardrobe video, which these are gonna be a pretty big part of. But I picked up some loafers, and I've had some other stuff get delivered over the last couple weeks, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of these and show you my first impressions. So if you can see there, these are from Coach. They were on sale. I think they were originally around like $250, and I got them for $149. We got our little Coach envelope. Let's see what this bad boy says. Oh, this is just my like order receipt. I love that they send this in an envelope. That's actually bougie as hell. Shout out to Coach. All right, let's get into the shoes. So we got our box here. Let me put this on the floor. So we got the box here. It is wrapped up in a little elastic. I got these in a size 11, which is my normal size. So I hope that they fit. I don't think I needed to like size up or anything like that. These are actually Coach official. Like these were from the official Coach website. These are not Coach outlet. So I'm looking forward to seeing the quality. And here we are. They're in the color maple, and it's actually kind of like a burgundy-esque color, which is cool. I have a pair of Chelsea boots that are in like a oxblood style color, and I'm looking forward to wearing these. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these. I'm gonna do a couple quick shots of just the close-up of the shoe, and then I'll put them on and really give you my impression of how they fit. So this is what we're working with. As you can see, the color, like I said, is maple, but they're kind of like a burgundy-ish brown. They do have, I don't know if you can really see that in the video, but they do have like the Coach logo inside along the insole. And they have a little C here. Honestly, this is actually my favorite part of the shoe. Obviously, my name is Calil, spelled with a C, which is not super common. So I always like when I see, actually, that's one of the main reasons I like the Coach logo or the Coach brand, because they have C's prominently featured on a lot of their clothes. They have their horse logo on the bottom. These are also rubber sole, which I like. That means they're gonna be pretty comfortable. And they're also gonna be pretty versatile to wear with dressier outfits, but also to wear casually. So let me throw them on and give you my like thoughts. All right, and there they are. I'm actually very excited about these. They're simple. They are a little stiff, so I think like they're definitely gonna take a little bit of wearing to get them, you know, like fully relaxed. But I love the casual kind of like versatile nature of these, of loafers in general, but I just feel like this color, it's gonna be a little bit different than just like a regular black without it being too like over the top. So that is kind of like a general first impression. I'm a big fan of these. I think they're gonna look great with a lot of outfits. I will definitely be getting a lot of wear out of them. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. If you have any questions about them, let me know. Like I said, I got them in a size 11. That is my true size, and I do think that was the correct size. They're pretty snug, and I have on a pair of socks right now. So I feel like the leather is gonna relax as I wear them a little bit more. And if I decide to wear them without socks or with like low no-show socks, it'll be still comfortable without like rubbing on my foot or my ankles or anything. So I am pleased. I'm pretty pleased with this purchase. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a full capsule wardrobe video for my spring and summer 2025 like capsule wardrobe in a couple of days, maybe weeks. So once I get the last few pieces in, which I think will be next week, I'll make a video and I'll post it for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the shoes, and I'll catch you in the next video.